In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall games inside Steam Desktop. If you want to remove a game from your computer without losing access to it in your Steam account, this is a quick and simple process. Uninstalling a game through Steam deletes the installed game files from your device, which can help free up storage space. The good news is that the game still stays in your Steam library, so you can reinstall it and play again anytime without having to buy it again. Start by opening the Steam app on your computer. Once Steam loads, look at the top of the window and click on the Library tab. This is where all of your games are listed and managed. Next, go to the list of games on the left side of the screen and find the game you want to remove. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct title, especially if you have several similar game names in your library. When you've found the game, right-click on its name. A menu will appear with several options. From that menu, hover over Manage to open the next set of choices. Then click Uninstall. After that, Steam will ask you to confirm the action. This is just a final check to make sure you really want to remove the game from your computer. Click Uninstall again to confirm. Steam will then begin removing the game files from your system. Depending on the game size, this may happen almost instantly or take a little longer. Once it's finished, the game will no longer be installed on your computer, but it will still appear in your library, ready to download again whenever you want. That's all there is to it. This is one of the easiest ways to clear up space while keeping your games safely attached to your Steam account.